Hey everyone, welcome back. In this video, I'll show you how to analyze social media performance in Buffer in 2026. If you want to track how your posts are performing, understand your audience better, and improve your content strategy, this guide will walk you through everything step by step. First, open your web browser and log in to your Buffer account. Once you're on the dashboard, make sure you've already connected the social media accounts you want to analyze. Next, click on the Analytics tab from the left side menu. This section displays performance data for your connected social media channels and helps you understand how your content is performing over time. Now choose the social media account you want to review, such as Facebook, Instagram, LinkedIn, or another connected platform. Buffer will load the available analytics for that account. Next, look at important metrics like post reach, impressions, engagement, likes, comments, shares, clicks, and follower growth. These numbers give you a clear picture of how your audience is interacting with your content. Now compare the performance of different posts to identify which types of content receive the most engagement. You may notice that certain topics, formats, or posting times perform better than others. Next, adjust the date range if you want to analyze performance over the last week, month, or a custom period. This makes it easier to spot trends and measure your progress. Now use these insights to improve your future content strategy by posting more of what your audience enjoys and updating posts that don't perform well. Finally, review your analytics regularly and continue testing different posting times, captions, and content formats to keep improving your social media results. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to analyze social media performance in Buffer step by step. You can now use real data to make smarter decisions and grow your social media presence more effectively. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more helpful tutorials just like this.